Hey y'all. Sharks. Hey y'all, and welcome back to Cat's Corner, the corner of the internet where we hide cats and eyes. Today I'm going to be doing a video that I've been so freaking excited for. So this is going to be a new products from Crate Finds video. If you do not know what Crate Finds is, it is a company that does a monthly mailer. Unlike most subscriptions, it's not a automatic recurring payment, so you're not stuck in a loop that you can't get out of even if you don't want that month. So you need to go in and order that mailer every single month. They will go on pre-sale 2 to 4 weeks before they ship out. And this month, they are also, it is a free mailer. You just need to pay shipping unless you want the deluxe edition, which has some more products and sometimes some extra limited products. And this month's free mailer is sold out. There is still some deluxe mailers that are available, but it is very few, so if you want a deluxe mailer, you better get on that soon. So this month for the mailer is all Crate Finds' own brand. It is vegan and cruelty-free, and all the items I'm about to show you will be on the website for individual sale today. You can go onto cratefinds.com. I will link it in the description, and you can get pretty much anything I'm about to show you here. So let's jump right into it. I'm so excited. So the first thing I'm going to be showing you, and I'm going to be using, is Crate Finds liquid eyeliner. So all of the eyeliner and lipsticks come in this nice matte black packaging. This is the Queen AF line, so it says Queen AF and it says liquid eyeliner and wing stamp on it. And what I like about these products that I noticed as I was opening them, that not only are they vegan and cruelty free, but I recognize most all of the ingredients on this list. So I actually know what most of these things are. It's not gonna be something like this ingredient has 17 syllables and I have no idea how to pronounce it or what it is. So that is really good. So you open it up, it says Hey Queen when you open it up, which is kind of cool. And then this is the eyeliner. It has Crate Finds logo on it. On one side it's got the wing stamp, which I shall show you how to use in a minute. And the other, it's just a normal chunky felt tip eyeliner. So I'm going to attempt to use this wing stamp. Wish me luck. Make sure it actually gets in the right spot. This will sell for $7.99. So for a liquid eyeliner, a vegan liquid eyeliner with the wing stamp, that is really good. So for this, you're just going to put it at the corner of your eye, stamp it, you got a nice little wing. And then you take the felt tip side and you just fill in on top of your lash line. So I didn't quite get that where it should have been. It should have been slightly higher, but not bad. I shall try that again on the other side. So it will take a little bit of practice to place it right, but it will still probably be much easier than doing a freehand winged liner. So that was like a couple seconds and I've got some wing liner. I'm going to pop some mascara on and I will be right back. Okay, so I've popped on a little bit of mascara and we're going to move on to the eyeshadows. So this month in the deluxe edition and on sale today is the limited edition Queen AF empty palette. There will only be 10,000 of these palettes made. You open it up, it has pink, it says Hey Queen, and it is an empty palette. It's got these circles that will the Crate Finds eyeshadows. And yeah, so these go on sale today. They will sell for $4.99, and they are limited edition, so hop on it if you want one. So the eyeshadows, I'm really excited. So currently the one I'm wearing right now is this one. It is called True Love's Kiss. It is like a shimmery hot pink kind of color. And I am loving the size of these eyeshadows. So as a little comparison, this is the Crate Finds eyeshadow from last month's mailer. This is the new Crate Finds eyeshadow. You see how much bigger? This I've seen is comparable to about the size of ColourPop eyeshadows. So it's around the size of ColourPop eyeshadow. And this is the new size, which is pretty close to the size of an Ofra blush refill. So this is an Ofra blush, and this is the new eyeshadows. So these are pretty freaking big pans. And they fit in the Queen AF palette, but if you do not get this palette and you want to just stick them into a Z palette, the pans themselves, like last time, are not the kind of metal that will stick to a magnet, so you will need to put like one of the little circle metal things that come with most Z palettes onto the bottom. Pop in there. They fit nice and snug, except I didn't put that one in right apparently. Now they fit nice and snug, so they won't fall out. This palette itself is pretty nice and sturdy. It's not like really cheap and flimsy feeling. So the colors in here are Red Queen, Penelope, which is a limited edition color. Hold on, I'll talk about that in a second. True Love's Kiss. No, that's True Love's Kiss. That's Looking Glass. My mind is not working. And Malice. And when you order these eyeshadows, they will come in these little protective things that have the name on them. The eyeshadows, Malice, True Love's Kiss, Looking Glass, and Red Queen, the eyeshadows will sell for $4.99. And then the limited edition color, Penelope, this one here, will sell for $6.99. So I will insert the swatches for these right now. Looking Glass, True Love's Kiss, no, Malice, True Love's Kiss, Looking Glass, there we go. Red Queen, Penelope. Next are the liquid lipsticks. Now there are 7 new liquid lipsticks. They come in the same kind of packaging as the eyeliner did. So this one is the one I'm wearing right now. This is called Controversy. And so it opens up, has the same little Hey Queen thing as the eyeliner. And then you open it up and it's got this really nice frosted glass bottle. And I really like it. Only thing that I do not like is that it does not have the name on the bottle itself, it just has it on the box. On the bottle it just has the Crate Finds logo and the Queen AF symbol here, but there is no name on the bottle. So if you are bad at names, just kind of keep the lipsticks with their boxes. But yeah, so this one is Controversy. I will roll the hand and lip swatches for the liquid lipsticks now. Now, there we go. So this one is Controversy. It is really, really awesome. This one is Soul Snatcher, which is a really cool name. This one is Material Girl. This one is Sinner. I like that it seems to have, I like that it seems to have a little bit more shine to it than the other ones do. This one is this bitch. I like it matches my shirt. This one is Miss Murder. This one's a really pretty color too. I like them all. I can't choose a favorite. Actually, this bitch might still be my favorite. And finally, this one is Penelope. It is a limited edition color. Both this and the Penelope eyeshadow right here are limited edition colors. And there will only be 5,000 of both of them before they are gone. So if you want this color, then go get it right now before they sell out, because once they do, there's no more. So these lipsticks do not dry down completely matte. They do leave a slight residue, but not too much. But I've had this on for a little bit, it feels really comfortable and light. And I have taken a few drinks from my little water bottle here quite a few times now, and it's not splodging or rubbing off at all, which I really like. And these smell amazing. They smell like strawberries, and it makes me happy. So the liquid lipsticks will retail for $7.99 and then the limited edition color Penelope will retail for $9.99. So I believe that is it. If you are interested in anything you've seen here, I will leave Crate Find's link down below. All of this stuff should be on sale as of today. I believe that is it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!